Good morning, guys! Guys, look who's here. Say good morning. Okay, good morning, guys.
We're late. Come on, let's go.
Gabriel is here, guys.
For the traffic. Come on, Annie Bud.
We're gonna take Gabriel to school. And Ate. Good job, guys.
Super late yesterday.
Oh, really?
Well, she didn't wake up till.
Oh, late daw sila kahapon kasi wala naman ako dito kasi maagang ako malis for work. Di daw nagising si Ate. So I have to wake her up many times. Pa-cute yan. Uy. Okay, call Ate kasi. Baby pa baby yan. Good morning nga pala sa inyo mga guys, no? It's another day. Another day in paradise. Charot. Hindi naman po ito paradise. Good morning, Lord. Thank you. Kasi di. Naka-ready na po tayo, no? Dahil pupunta po tayo ngayon sa store. Bibili lang ng siguro chocolate dahil tomorrow will be Easter Sunday. Ay! The next day. So, bibili kami ng chocolate para ilagay sa plastic. I know you don't need like any Easter thing, right? So, ito lang ang ating, guys, naka-sleeper. Tapos, bago ang lahat, ihatid muna namin si Kuya sa school, guys. Nandito na po kami. Diyan po yung school ni Kuya. He's not gonna stay for esports, so
If you decide to stay.
there he is, guys. Pasok na siya, guys. Ayan. So anyway, guys, tara. Punta na tayo sa tindahan. Tingnan po ninyo nasa likod niya. Kakatawa naman yan, oy. Oh my God. Meron pong, that's gorilla or what?
It's like a gorilla body and they put the little doll head on there.
What the heck? Guys,
They're just joking.
yeah, I know. May gorilla po, guys, oh.
We better go this way.
Gorilla sa likod ng truck.
We'll go this way.
Oh my gosh, crazy. Ayan oh. Sabi niya sa joke, sana
The gorilla body.
gorilla body, guys, tapos bibidal yung mukha. Wow, kakaiba rin oh. Not really. Guys, dito na po kami sa tindahan. Tindahan ni Aling Lorraine. Charot.
One teaspoon is 110. Let's try this one. Look, 454 or 886.
Oh my God. You should just get one little one because you wanted to give it a try first.
What is this?
I know Cholula. That's what you like.
Turf sauce.
But I don't know about these, what's this? Let me
But
see.
those that's 4. This
Crystal
is only 2.
hot sauce. What?
Just try it.
Okay, just try it a little bit. Ito guys, kunin natin to.
You always get more later.
Maliit lang naman. That's what I said. It's better
You
to
want me
get
the, for sure?
one little one. Okay, itry pa lang muna niya.
You want me to get one like this for sure?
Ayun ng turkey, no? Kasi minsan madali po siyang or ham ba, yung or honey uncured ham. Try nga natin to guys. Kasi pang sandwich ba, madali ang panggawa ng sandwich. Let's see kung sobrang sodium. Grabe, 520. How about ang calories? 70. Oh, okay. Try nga natin to guys. Naubo na si Mister. Ayan, ang dami nilang deli dito. Ayan, di ba? Ayan na yung nabili namin sa ngayon.
Hold on.
Tapos,
Junk food junkie.
layas na po kami. Uwi na kami. Charot. Kaming bibilhin. Pero, ang ending, nakapamili po kami. Kung akalain mong bata pa na maliit, hindi mo akalain binibilhan mo na pala siya ng makeup ngayon. Kasi, although 12 years old siya, mahilig na po siyang maglagay ng chichiburechi sa kanyang face. Which is okay lang naman guys, kasi dito kasi sa Amerika, okay lang naman yan. Kailangan naman i-stop nyo sila sa paggamit ng mga ganito, no? Basta yung safe sa kanila. So, blush. Siguro, bilihan ko siya nito. Ilalagay ko kasi ito sa basket. Kasi, diba, she's not into toys anymore. So, bilihan pa natin siya ng lip gloss. Mahilig kasi siya sa ganito. Yung pa shine ba? Ayan. Too pink. Yeah, I guess it's good. It's good enough.
Curious how that works out. Obviously, the scouts
Connection unsuccessful.
Kinokonek niya kasi yung headphone sa phone niya. Did you unplug Gabriel's iPad?
You told me not to.
Oh, no, like, what's this? Like,
Yes.
disconnect. Anyway, guys, andito na nga pala kami sa bahay kanina pa, no? So, you know what? I think I did something messed up. I messed up something. It's about a sleepover. Kasi nga, tomorrow is Saturday, is gonna be Cassandra's birthday party, diba? Tapos yung mom, nag-set na kami ng okay, nag-agree na ako na mag-sleepover yung anak niya dito sa bahay namin. Which, hindi ko naman talaga naisip na pagkabukas, meron pala akong trabaho. This is the mess up thing. Because I don't want to break their hearts, you know, they're very excited na sa sleepover. This is very first time na mag-sleepover. Ayaw ko lang kasi naiwan ang mga bata
Get
dito
in the car.
without me. Anyway, andito naman si asawa ko, but anyway, okay, let's go. So yun na nga, but kailangan ko talaga tong i-fix, guys. I'm gonna fix it. I don't know what. So I'm trying to text her. Anyway, ching. Let's go.
I just want to see if you're comfortable. I'll be home at 2 if you're comfortable with that. That's all.
Okay. I think that's the good message right there. I like that one. I have to.
To say
Fix this.
I messed up. I forgot I have to work Sunday. I know we already arranged for the spend the night. And
Ang ganda ng beautiful na mga
my
roses,
husband,
guys.
I have to work. I'll be home at 2. My husband will be here. Blah blah blah. Just want to make sure. I want to see if you're comfortable with that. If you're not comfortable, then we have to cancel. That's it.
Guys, papunta na naman kami ulit ngayon. Pick upin namin si Kuya. Maaga namin siya kunin dahil ayaw po niya magstay sa esports. So, tara guys, samahan niyo kami. Galit na naman po siya dito sa aking camera, guys.
Did you find the stuff?
Intindihin niyo
Did you
na
find the stuff for the Social Security?
Yes, I have it all ready for you.
Everything.
Finally, pay time. It's pay time. I'm so excited. So, nag-text ako sa mom ng friend ni Cassie, diba? And then, nag-agree naman siya na tonight na lang daw yung sleepover. Pero, tanungin niya muna yung daughter niya kung okay ba yun sa daughter niya. Problem solved. Kasi nakakahiya, guys, diba? Nag-agree na ako sa something. Tapos, di ko pala alam na may work ako the next day. Luka-luka na mother to eh. Di ba? Anyway, ayusin na natin dito guys kasi baka gusto na mag-hangout dito. At least malinis siya. Hindi siya madumi. Alam niyo na. Kasi mabait siya. Ayan. Ayaw kong bana guys kay yung drain ng bathroom ng mga bagets is hindi na siya mag-drain ng maayos. So, hopefully, maayos pa niya, no? Kasi kung hindi, ay nako, ewan. Another gas to guys! Another gas to. Okay. Halika, pakita ko kayo si asawa. Dito po siya. Nice. How's everything, hon?
It's no good.
You want me to do it? So I can help you?
Do what?
Like get that hairy thing? Sobra kasing dami.
No, the problem is it's
Buhok.
too deep down in there, and now we're screwed because We don't use the.
Hopefully it will not be a big
And
mess.
nobody say nothing until it's too late. Anyways, I don't know what to do.
Guys, hopefully maayos pa yan, no? So, update ko na lang kayo guys kung naayos ba yung problema dito sa aming CR guys, no? Focus muna tayo sa pag-help sa kanya kaya baka ma-stress siya.
A few moments later.
After 30 minutes later lang naman. So, update. Naayos po ni asawa ang drain ng bathtub natin. So, shout out. Iba lang talaga guys, no, kapag meron po kayong handyman na asawa. Kasi syempre dito sa Amerika guys, pag hindi ayan naayos, ang mahal-mahal po ng bayad ng plumber. So, shout out sa aking Diyosawa na
You
napakagaling.
should keep this bag right under there.
Ayan po siya. Congrats. You know, he don't like camera. Congratulations for my handyman.
You take a
Guys,
shit with
he's
that
mad.
camera too?
No, I don't. What's the problem?
I said you should put that bag with all your cleaning stuff under there
That's actually my plan.
with the brush over there.
Right, I
Don't
actually...
leave the brush like in there. That's,
Oh, yeah, I don't. Anyway, guys, so, yes, that's the good thing talaga na meron kayong handyman na asawa. Sige na nga, guys. Mamaya ulit, guys. Kasi, baka, wait ko pa yung update ng classmate ni Cassie kasi baka dito mag-sleepover mamaya. So, andito na yung mga bagets, guys. So, update, hindi pa nag-reply yung nanay ng kaibigan niya. Meron, sobrang saya niya ngayon. Dahil, yung shoota niya, guys. Binigyan siya ng regalo. Cute teddy bear at saka crochet na flower. I-ask ko siya mamaya kung pwede ipakita. Bigyan natin si Gabriel ng chips kasi gusto niya to eh. Ito yung favorite niya. Sa kwarto kasi siya ngayon. Mag-relax ba? Kaya Friday man today. Ngayon, ang dami. Over. Sarap kasi to. Actually, nakanap pala ako ng saglit. Do I stay? Wow, legs.
what do you have? So an ace could be 1 or 11.
What do you mean 1 or? So do I
Nag-ano
stay
sila,
or
guys?
do I hit?
Naglaro sila ng
An ace is 1
ewan ko ano.
or 11.
Okay, do I hit or do I hit?
Hi. How's your day? Good? So what happening today at school? Awesome? Yeah? You don't want to tell me what's going on at school? Very good day, huh?
Well, I was eating.
Okay. I'll leave you alone. Guys, papakita niya po daw sa atin, no, yung dala po niya. Meron siyang dala galing sa school. Wow naman ang bata. What are you gonna show us, Gabe?
This, my sunflower. I wonder, did it grow?
Kainis talaga, guys, kasi low bat.
Look at it.
Okay, here. I'm sorry because low bat on the camera is low bat. Okay. Come on, show me what you got. Okay.
We put it 2 watermelons in mine.
Oh, really? May dala po siya. This is Gabriel's dala from school. Ano yan, guys? So, can you tell me what is this?
That one?
No, the one you bring from school.
That one is
Sunflower.
sunflower. and there's 2 seeds.
Oh, wow. May 2 seeds na, guys.
No, there will be 2 seeds that will grow a watermelon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Great job.
Because I put the two in each place.
Oh, so ito na pala yung binili namin ng nakaraan, guys, no? Dito pa nilagay ni asawa because the weather is not so pretty. Mga ilang araw na, pinapakain pala ni asawa yung aming aso, guys. Pero ngayon, I think it's starting to be nice na kasi medyo warm na siya. Not too warm. Tapos hindi siya windy, guys. O, tingnan niyo po ang likod namin. Diba? Hindi siya windy. So, itatanim na po ni asawa to once weather is nice. Huy.
Water. Mom, and it also has a sprout.
Oh, really?
Here's
Where?
another little container.
Where's the sprout, Gabe?
Put some dirt in there, and then we'll plant some more.
Put this hole up.
Well, you gotta have holes in there so when we put the dirt, then the water come out the bottom. But we just go in the garage, we'll get a little bit of dirt, and then we'll plant some more. Come on, let's go do it right now.
Guys.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Sure. Guys, iwan pala to sila mamaya. Guys, iiwan namin sila. Kaya andito lang po yan sila. Hindi yan sasama mamaya. Anyway. Nagluluto po tayo ng itlog, no? Dahil It's okay, baby. I got it. Kasi kakain ako ng bongga mamaya. Kaya walang maraming pagkain. It's okay. Just look at daddy. Help daddy. Yan. Yan na. Magtanim na daw sila, guys. Hold it correctly. Ang helper. Ang maliit na helper, guys.
Oh, it's getting all over.
Ayan yung soil na binili namin last time.
No, take all those out the top. They put them on the table right there.
Good helper. Such a good helper. Maning si Gabriel, guys.
Go right there.
Guys, mag-plant na po sila.
Mom, a root.
Oh, wow.
Look, here's little seeds.
So, this is cantaloupe?
Yeah.
Okay. Cantaloupe ang unahin nila, guys. How many seeds are you supposed to put it in the soil? Ito na yung
Well,
soil.
one seed equals one plant, like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Go, Gabriel. Plant now,
So all
Gabriel.
you gotta do is take your finger and put a little hole like this, and then put one little thing like that. See? Just like
Wow.
that. Make a little hole with your finger. Take your finger and then like don't put it right next to it. Put it a little bit over here. Push way down in there.
This is planting tutorial.
Okay, now take one
job.
seed and then drop it in that hole.
Yeah, Marte kasi ito, guys. Tingnan natin. Oh, ang kamay, guys.
So you gotta get it in that hole, all the way down in the bottom.
Hindi naman maarte, guys.
Okay, now make
Mabait
another
naman tong batang
little
to.
hole over here. Go all the way around and make a whole bunch of holes. And put one seed in every hole.
Wow, Gabe. Great job.
And don't put the holes too close to each other.
Oh, look.
Now just drop them in like holes.
Oh, ayan na, guys. Tingnan lang natin in couple months later.
And then one more like right here.